Come on this journey.
Well, get on it. It's your time.
The best journey. So be it.
Hello, Puri or nahi.
But then I started feeling my you know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, that's
Electric company. Electricity. All the energy you want. All the service you need.
Joint right here is dedicated to all my niggas that I love, all the niggas that held it down with me through the whole shit from the beginning, now current day, from the beginning of the birth of this whole shit to the now success of this whole shit. You know my people that be holding it down for they ride.